Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're talking about the benefits and risks of vitamin K2 supplements. If you're interested in improving your bone and cardiovascular health, or simply want to learn more about this popular supplement, then you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. Vitamin K2 is a relatively new supplement that has gained popularity in recent years due to its potential health benefits. In this video, we will provide an overview of vitamin K2 supplements, including their potential benefits and risks. What is vitamin K2? Vitamin K2 is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays an important role in blood clotting and bone health. It is found naturally in some animal products, such as meat, eggs, and cheese, as well as in fermented foods like natto, a traditional Japanese food made from soybeans. In the body, vitamin K2 is used to activate proteins that help to regulate calcium in the body. This is important for bone health, as calcium is a key component of bone tissue. Vitamin K2 has also been linked to cardiovascular health, dental health, and other potential health benefits. Potential benefits of vitamin K2 supplements. Bone health. One of the primary benefits of vitamin K2 supplements is their potential to support bone health. Vitamin K2 is involved in the process of bone mineralization, which is important for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Several studies have found that supplementing with vitamin K2, specifically the -7 Malawian Quatchars form, can help to reduce the risk of fractures in postmenopausal women. This is likely due to its ability to activate proteins that help to regulate calcium in the bones. While more research is needed to fully understand the effects of vitamin K2 on bone health, the available evidence suggests that it may be a useful supplement for those looking to support their bone health. However, it should be noted that the optimal dosage and duration of supplementation are still unclear. Cardiovascular health. Vitamin K2 has also been linked to cardiovascular health, particularly in its ability to prevent arterial calcification. A study published in Atherosclerosis found that higher dietary intake of vitamin K2 was associated with a lower risk of coronary heart disease in older women. Another study published in Thrombosis and Hemostasis found that supplementing with vitamin K2, -7 Malawian Quatchars, for 3 years improved arterial stiffness in postmenopausal women. This suggests that vitamin K2 may help to protect against the development of atherosclerosis and other cardiovascular diseases. However, it should be noted that the evidence on vitamin K2 and cardiovascular health is still limited, and more research is needed to fully understand its potential benefits in this area. Dental health. Vitamin K2 has also been suggested to support dental health by promoting the mineralization of teeth. While there is limited research on the effects of vitamin K2 on human dental health, some preliminary evidence suggests that it may have potential benefits in this area. Other potential benefits. Some studies have suggested that vitamin K2 may have other potential health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity. However, more research is needed to fully understand these effects and to determine the optimal dosage and duration of supplementation for these purposes. Potential risks and side effects of vitamin K2 supplements. Vitamin K2 supplements are generally considered safe when taken at recommended doses. However, as with any supplement, there are potential risks and side effects to consider. One potential risk is that high doses of vitamin K2 may interfere with blood-thinning medications like warfarin. This is because vitamin K2 can activate clotting factors in the liver, which may counteract the effects of these medications. If you are taking a blood-thinning medication, it is important to talk to your doctor before taking a vitamin K2 supplement. Another potential risk is that high doses of vitamin K2 may cause an upset stomach or other gastrointestinal symptoms. It is important to follow the recommended dosage and to talk to your doctor if you experience any side effects. It is also important to follow the recommended dosage and to talk to your doctor before taking a vitamin K2 supplement, especially if you are taking any medications or have a pre-existing medical condition. That's all for today's video on vitamin K2 supplements. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.